don't have to worry about that hair falling on the floor, getting on the couch. It is super convenient. It's gonna help save you time, money, and it's gonna save you some headaches. Again, make sure you guys grab it if you're tired of that pet hair, if you're always struggling with that pet hair, if you're always having to pick up that hair with the vacuum or the broom 5 times a week. This is gonna make your life so much easier. Simply turn it on. One of the biggest questions that I get asked, is it loud? So I'll turn it on right now. As you can see, guys, my dogs are back there chilling, sleeping. They don't even pay attention to it. It's not loud at all. All you gotta do is brush them. As you brush them, brush.